Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can uninstall any of your apps on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to uninstall any of your apps on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to go to your Windows settings. So just search for settings on your Windows search bar and then open it. And once you're on your settings, next, I want you to go to the apps section. And then select installed apps. And then here, you will now see all the apps installed on your device. So just scroll down to find the one that you want to delete, but if you want to make it easier, you can also just search the name of the app here to find it automatically. And once you've found the app, next, just click this 3 dots at the right corner of the app. And then there it is. You will now see the button to uninstall the app. Just go and click it. And then they will ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete it. Just confirm it until it starts the deletion process. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations. The app will now start to be uninstalled just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.